I just can't hold it to myself, and I want to share with you that the point that you can make the 80% of profit on one currency pair on Forex market on this platform that I'm trading on, and you can bring more value, you can make more money from online based on your amount of investment, and this is pretty simple and easy. And I want to show you my results today in the Forex market trading. I left the link in the description panel, so if you're gonna want to try it yourself, you can easily get to the platform via the link in the description. Be my guest, use it, and I want to show you that you can make 80% of profit, or 173% of profit, or 22% of profit in a minute, or even 372% in a week. And this is pretty amazing, and I believe that a lot of people thinking about that as one more way to make money, one more way to make a passive income. And all you need to do is just to buy or sell. You need to choose the way which the price will go, and that's it. Of course, you can switch on the indicators, you can read books about the trading, you can make a lot of discoveries in this path, but I am sure that you can make money online, that you can make a lot of money, and this is pretty simple and easy. Let's open any asset. Here on the left side, on the left corner, you have the Forex is 48. When we get to the platform, you'll see that it's 48 currency pairs to trade on. Let's open a new one, and I'll show you the easy way to the easiest one. You'll scroll in out a little bit. You become to see the whole picture. There was a bottom. Right now the trend is up going. A lot of people, 68% of traders, thinking that the price will go up. You change in the amount for investment and you're pressing buy. Or when you see that the price is going down and the trend is down going, you're pressing sell. Let's wait a couple minutes while I'm filming this video. I'm sure that something will happen with this price, or it will fall more, or it will grow, and we're gonna see the profit in a minute. And this is crazy, and this is great because you can make money literally in a minute. For example, you have $100. You invest $100 in one or another way, in up or down, in buy or sell. Right now we pressed buy on $1,000, and you can see already it's $2 of profit, but the price is jumping up and down, and you can see it crossing the line all the time, but the trend is up going, and you can wait, for example, I don't know, 10 minutes or 20 minutes or more minutes, or if you're gonna wait for a week, like on this currency pair, you can have 372%. Think about it. You can make huge amount of income in minutes, in days, and in a weeks. I'm gonna make an experiment. I'm gonna buy or sell some. I will make an order to some asset, to some currency pair, and we'll leave it alone for 1 month, and I'm gonna see what's happening. And this is interesting, and I think that you'll watch such video, like an experiment for 1 month. And I will not check the platform like every minute, for example, because you see we made a purchase. Right now the price is jumping around the line and we have a loss for a moment, but right now we have a profit. Cool, of course it's amazing and cool because it's working very fast. The price is changing all the time, and you have 48 currency pairs. You have 48 doors to open a treasury. And this is fantastic, and this is huge. So if you want to try, I left the link in the description panel of this video, so you can easily find the path to the platform. You need to pass the registration first of all. You will get the email to your box to confirm your account on the platform, and then you need to make your first investment. The minimum amount of investment is $10, and you can literally, from $10 you can go to $1,000 in a week. This is for sure. You just need to try it. You can spend more or less time to check the platform. For example, already $400 right here in this spot. Why not? This is cool, this is incredible, and this is absolutely great. Let's close this position to get $463. And I have $463, 463, and I want to reopen this position. I want to reopen this position to get more income based on the money that I've already made. Not the first just deposit. You can grow your deposit until it's gonna bring you twice or more money. And then you can withdraw the funds that you invested in the platform. So let's say will be $100. You invested $100, you made $200 from them, then you withdraw in the funds for $100 and your pocket is safe, and you trading on the income. That's called reinvesting, and this is pretty simple and easy. And here you can watch online like how I've made 3% of profit right in a minute. And the asset that we've opened 3 minutes ago brought me like 5% already. You can trade on the short time, or you can wait longer, because the price is going up and down all the time, and the results can be just incredible. I'm saying in each my video, I'm saying one thing, that do not invest more money than you can afford to lose, because this is important, and I want you to be profitable, and I want you to make money online, not to spend them. So be wise, think about it. Do not invest more money than you can afford to lose, but you should try it for sure, because this is very interesting. It can be absolutely profitable, but don't think to, if you want to loan or if you want to borrow some money from I don't know, maybe your parents or your friends, don't do it. Just keep some cash from your salary, $100, and then try it for free money, then try it for your own money, and you'll see that it can bring you the great income in the short period. And if you will wait a little bit, for a week for example, it can bring you a lot of value. Try it. Do not invest more money than you can afford to lose. Find the link in the description panel of this video and be much more happier tomorrow than you are today. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed and hope this was useful. Join to the big family of investors. Thanks and bye.